Alert, target locked. Testosterone airborne troops. Precision airdrops to the Bullseye. First strike, quercetin blast. Hardness inhibitors instantly destroyed. Second strike, zinc selenium nuclear blast. Testosterone synthesis engine. Full power restart. Reconstruction. 20 Hz overclocking shock. Smooth muscle mass super restored. Maximum toughness. Ultimate reinforcement. Vascular proliferation. Endothelial cells surge 300%. Blood bank expands to its maximum capacity. Battle report express. Hardness increased by 2 levels. Blood flow plus 2. Final operation. Tomorrow morning at 6 o'clock a.m. Dual attack on nerves and blood vessels. Fully launched.